Guys, feast your eyes on the class of '89 Honda CR125. This is the blood red, probably one of the most collectible CRs ever made, one of the most desirable CRs ever made. And this has been done by Chris Kelly, aka the Wizard. He did this entire frame off restoration himself here at Kaplan Cycles over the course of several months, starting with a pristine frame. I'll show you the frame. I'll take it off. There's not a single ding anywhere on the frame. It's a what we call California frame rails. Are absolutely pristine. Painted it the original blood red color. The engine was given a complete and total rebuild, starting with dismantled right down to the crank. Engine cases dismantled, vapor honed, and repainted the cases original color. Rebuilt the crank shaft with new bearings, new seals, a new Pro X rod, new piston, new rings, new top end bearing, new base and head gasket, brand new clutch. The clutch and water pump are all new. It's got a new shifter on it, new countershaft sprocket, new countershaft sprocket protector. He repaired the engine cases right here. The small repair was done right there. The frame rails are perfect. The engine cases are perfect. The swing arm, the original swing arm is mint, as you can see. The wheel set, so the engine, everything's new on the engine, and it has a pro circuit pipe and silencer and the aluminum, brand new aluminum radiators. So the powertrain's as good as brand new. Clutch, transmission, everything's perfect on it. Once the engine was fully sorted and the frame was painted, he started on the running gear. Brand new rear wheel bearings, brand new Renthal sprocket and gold chain, brand new chain slider, brand new upper chain slider, brand new chain rollers, new inspection covers, all new bearings, new linkage bearings. New. There's this work order here. I got to show you this. This is, look at this. Every line, page after page. This is just the parts. 3.5 pages of parts totaling $3,500, and then a 7-page work order, 11-page work order that was very, very time consuming. The rear hub was rebuilt with new bearings. You can see there's all new hardware on the sprocket, new chain adjusters. The chain slider was restored and polished. It has a brand new Takasago XL rim with new spokes, new rim band, new tube, and a brand new Dunlop tire. The rear hub was repainted. Coming around this side here, the caliper was completely rebuilt with all new pins and new pistons and new brake pads. It's got new brake line mounts here. The shock was dismantled and completely built by the Wizard himself with a new shock head, new shock bumper, new shock seals, new nitrogen, new oil, and it was restored cosmetically and re-clear coated, and the spring was painted. The rear master cylinder was rebuilt. The pegs were painted. All of the peg hardware is brand new. All the hardware on the engine is brand new. It's got the pro circuit pipe. You can see it has a new rear master cylinder. The rear fender, the side number plates are new. The seat cover is new. The seat foam is new. All the mounting hardware is new. The radiator shrouds are new. I'm probably going to leave a couple things out here, but going to the front of the bike, brand new steering head bearings. He removed the triple clamps and vapor honed them and then clear coated them. All new hardware, new Renthal bars, new Whirlpool throttle. Master cylinder is completely rebuilt with a new brake lever, a new OEM Honda rubber cover, a new quick adjust black matching clutch lever, perch, and new clutch cable, new kill switch, new ODI lock-on grips, a new Renthal crossbar pad, new front number plate, new front fender, new graphics all the way around. The forks are completely rebuilt with new seals, new springs, new fork boot covers, and new mounting hardware. The front wheel was completely rebuilt. The only part original on it is the hub. The spokes are new, the rim's new, the tire's new. It's a Takasago XL rim matching the rear one. Never touched the dirt yet. Still got the hairy nubs on the tires. New tubes, new rim strips, new rim lock, as you can see. And the front brake system was completely rebuilt, starting with the master cylinder being rebuilt. The front brake cable was replaced. The caliper was rebuilt with new pistons, new seals, new brake pads, and the original rotor was vapor honed and then restored and remounted on the bike. So just in a spectacular restoration. Chris has been restoring two-stroke Hondas since the 80s, literally for 40 years. He's 65 years old, and he was our lead mechanic here for 15 years until he recently retired. He's probably done more CRs than anybody else I know on planet Earth. He knows all these part numbers by heart, and he wanted to do a 125, so we usually have in excess of 100 bikes. We have 186 bikes waiting to get restored right now in our inventory, and I usually let the guys pick the bike they want to do. He has an 89 250 that he just finished right about the same time as this. Matter of fact, it's on his bench right now. That one will be coming out in the next week or so. That was actually his own personal bike that he restored for himself, and he was thinking about racing an MX Rewind, and then he changed his mind. He's going to sell it, but just coincidentally, we had the 89 CR125 and his 250 get finished at the same time. So the next couple of weeks, his 250 will come out. But spectacular piece of moto history here. The Wizard's the master when it comes to restoring these two strokes. And like I said, I probably left a couple of things off here because there's just pages and pages of parts, but that'll all be in the YouTube description. There's a total of $3,500 in parts and 65.5 hours of shop labor. So the shop labor came to, at $150 an hour, is $9,825 plus $3,500 in parts. So the total work order, if you bought your CR here and had us do this, was $13,325. So it's a spectacular machine. It'll be sold with a reasonable reserve, substantially less than the actual work order itself. So it's always less expensive to, unless you can do it yourself, but to pay a shop like us to do it, it's less expensive to buy one that's already done than consign one to be built. At current shop rates, it's extremely expensive. Shop rates have gone up, and the parts are extremely expensive. But this one's done. It's as good as it was brand new. It hauls ass. It feels like a brand new bike. It doesn't vibrate. It's super tight. All the hoses are new. The radiator hoses, the fuel line hoses, the drain hoses. Everything's new on the bike, or it's original and restored to as good as new. So if you're looking for the nicest 89 CR125 we've had roll out of the shop yet, I do believe this one's on the podium on the top spot. It's a spectacular piece. If you have any questions, give us a call, 860-454-7024. We can ship this anywhere in the continental U.S. Licensed, insured, and enclosed trailers to your door, white glove shipping, and we actually finance these in-house. Let me spin it around to the other side, and if you want to come take a look at it, we're open 7 days a week right now. This will be on display on the 3rd floor at the New England Motorcycle Museum for you to take a look at. But look at the sun gleaming off these spokes and these rims. It's as good as it gets, man. If you're looking for a diamond to add to your collection that needs nothing, you take it to the line at MX Rewind at Unadilla in a couple months, or to Southwick for the vintage motocross, or race it against the new bikes. But is it too nice to ride? Maybe. I don't know. But sure would look good hanging up in the man room or in your shop, that's for sure, or on display in the museum. If you have any questions about it, give us a call, 860-454-7024, and we can actually finance this for you too. Thanks for watching. God bless America.